Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best phone cases for the iPhone 12 Pro Max with a wallet function, the ONETOP compatible wallet case. If you're someone who loves the convenience of having your phone and essentials all in one place, this case is designed to fit your lifestyle perfectly. The ONETOP wallet case is specifically made for the iPhone 12 Pro Max, which features a large 6.7-inch display released in 2020. It's crafted from premium faux leather, giving it a sleek and sophisticated look while maintaining durability. The soft PU leather material provides a comfortable touch, making it easy to hold and handle your phone without it feeling bulky or awkward. One of the main highlights of this case is its practical card holder feature. It comes with 4 card slots that can easily accommodate your ID, credit cards, or some cash, which means you can leave your purse or wallet behind when you head outdoors. This is especially useful for those quick errands or nights out when you want to travel light but still keep your essentials secure. The case also includes a built-in kickstand that converts into a multi-angle stand. This makes it super convenient for watching videos, reading, or even video calling hands-free. The stand feature is sturdy and reliable, giving you a comfortable viewing experience from different angles without worrying about your phone tipping over. When it comes to protection, the ONETOP wallet case doesn't disappoint. It offers all-around protection with a full-scale covering design that upgrades the anti-fall system. This means your iPhone 12 Pro Max is shielded from everyday bumps, drops, and scratches. The case fits snugly and securely, giving you peace of mind that your phone is safe at all times. Precision is another important aspect of this case. It features precise cutouts for speakers, charging ports, audio jacks, and buttons. This ensures that you have full access to all the phone's functionalities without having to remove the case. Whether you're charging your phone, adjusting the volume, or plugging in headphones, everything is easily accessible. In terms of design, the ONETOP case strikes a great balance between style and utility. The double magnetic clasp keeps the case securely closed, protecting your cards and screen while adding an extra layer of security. The black color option offers a classic, timeless look that fits well with any outfit or setting. Inside the box, you get the kickstand and card holder all integrated into one functional piece. The case is lightweight, weighing just under 3 ounces, so it doesn't add unnecessary bulk to your phone, making it comfortable to carry in your hand or pocket. To sum it up, the ONETOP compatible wallet case for iPhone 12 Pro Max offers a practical solution for those who want to combine their phone and wallet into one sleek accessory. With its premium materials, convenient card slots, reliable kickstand, and solid protection, it's a versatile option for everyday use. If you're interested in a wallet case that doesn't compromise on style or protection and keeps your essentials handy, this case deserves a serious look. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more honest reviews on the latest tech accessories.